Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn about properties of fluid. Before going to the topic, we have to know what is fluid or the definition of a fluid. Fluid is a substance which is capable to flow under the action of shear stress. Now let's go into the topic. Properties of fluid. First one is density. Density or mass density of a fluid is defined as the ratio of mass of fluid to the volume. Thus, mass per unit volume of a fluid is called density. It is denoted by a symbol ρ. Mathematically, density or mass density is written as density is equal to mass of fluid by volume of fluid. That is, ρ is equal to m by v. The units of mass density in SI unit is kg per meter cube. We have to note some of the points. Those are: the value of density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube or 1 gram per centimeter cube. The value of density of mercury is 13600 kg per meter cube. The density of liquids may be considered as constant, while that of gases changes with the variation of pressure and temperature. Specific weight. This is the next property of fluid. Specific weight or weight density of a fluid is defined as the ratio between the weight of a fluid to its volume. Thus, weight density or specific weight is equal to weight of fluid by volume of fluid, that is equal to W by V. The SI unit of weight density is Newton per meter cube or kilonewton per meter cube. In terms of density, specific weight is equal to density into acceleration due to gravity. The value of weight density for water is 9810 Newton per meter cube in SI units. Specific volume is the next property. It is the ratio of volume of the fluid to the mass of the fluid, or specific volume of a fluid is defined as the volume of a fluid occupied by a unit mass, or volume per unit mass of a fluid is known as specific volume. Mathematically, it is expressed as specific volume is equal to volume of fluid by mass of fluid. The SI unit is meter cube per kg. The specific volume is the reciprocal of mass density. Next one is specific gravity. It is the ratio of weight density or density of a fluid to the weight density of a standard fluid. For liquid, the standard fluid is taken as water, and for gases, the standard fluid is taken as air. Specific gravity is also known as relative density. Specific gravity has no units. So, mathematically, specific gravity for liquids is equal to
weight density or density of liquid
by weight density of water. Next, specific gravity for gases is weight density of gases by weight density of air. Specific gravity of water is 1 and specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. Thank you for watching this video.